The International Space Station, ISS, represents the largest human construction in space, assembled from components launched and assembled in orbit. This video provides a detailed overview of the ISS, highlighting the modules in their order of assembly, the countries involved, and the future plans for the station. The construction of the ISS was preceded by the Space Station Freedom Project in 1984 by the United States, but due to redesigns and funding cuts, it evolved into the international collaboration known as the ISS in 1993. The main countries involved include the USA, Canada, Russia, Japan, and the countries of the European Space Agency. The ISS serves as a platform for scientific experiments and houses 6 astronauts who rotate every 6 months. Built over a decade, the ISS consists of different segments and modules launched by American, Russian, and European rockets. After assembly, the ISS will continue to operate and possibly be extended beyond current funding until 2025, with the potential to reuse its components for future space projects. Furthermore, the ISS represents not only a milestone in space exploration, but also an ongoing opportunity to expand our scientific and technological knowledge. With research being carried out in zero gravity and experiments that could not be carried out on Earth, the ISS is truly a unique platform for discovery. If you want to continue following videos and updates about the International Space Station, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any new content and you'll be able to explore the wonders of space with us. Thank you for watching and for being part of this journey of space discovery.